Yeah, that'd be interesting. Why does it shift 700 hertz? I know on my radio, I'm currently in USB data mode. If it switched it to USB voice, I don't know if the radio would change. But I suppose that because of the way the encoding works, it changes it. But I'll wait. You go ahead and switch, and I'll see if I can find you.
Okay. Hold on a second. Yeah, let me compensate my frequency. It is exact. Hold on a second. Now it's a 14.236 on my dial, and I am running 50. Then okay, yeah. Let me increase to my power to 100 watt, maybe 50 watt. Okay, now I am running 100 watts, and frequency is 14.236 on my dial, and I am curious how much my signal is degraded with the analog mode, and yeah, this is fun to compare digital mode and analog mode. Okay, back to you, KC180W, over. This is KC180W. Yes, your frequency is exact on 14.236, and your signal is I would say, how can I say, is a 90% readable with background noise. Then I am wondering my signal. Then I will change to digital mode again on the next time. Back to you, KC180W, over. This is a digital mode, and I changed my frequency again to match 14.236. KC180W, over.
Much better copy on digital mode. Of course, no background noise. And yeah, nothing here changed frequency. It must be something that your radio is set up for when it's in digital mode. I forget what kind of radio you're using. Here I'm using a Kenwood 590. Over.
I am running with Yaesu FT710.